Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Klaviyo flows for e-commerce retention step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, select the flows option. Click on Create Flow in the upper right corner. Choose Create from Scratch or select a pre-built flow template. Name your new flow appropriately for easy reference. Click Create Flow. Now, you'll see the Flow Builder interface. Select the trigger that suits your retention goal. You might choose List Triggered Flow or Segment Triggered Flow based on your strategy. Click on Select after choosing your trigger type. Configure your trigger settings, like specifying the list or segment. Add any necessary filters to refine your audience. Next, drag actions from the left menu into your flow. Consider using actions like send email or notify by SMS. Customize each action to align with your brand voice. To set timing, adjust the time delay elements between actions. After setting up your desired flow structure, review for any errors. Click Save Changes to ensure your flow is updated. To activate your flow, toggle the live switch at the top right. Monitor the performance of your flow from the main dashboard. Regularly optimize your flow based on analytics and customer feedback. This will enhance your retention strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.